Hello guys, I am here with another fantastic video and unique idea for your loved one. But before we start, subscribe, press the bell icon so you will know when I am online. I am sure that you have been in a situation where you didn't know what to get for your parents or your mom and dad-in-law. Maybe it was their birthday, or maybe it was for Christmas, or maybe you just wanted to give them a present. Nevertheless, it can sometimes be a challenge to find a gift that is affordable, and one that they will be glad that they got. If you are a parent yourself, preferably if you have a child of age 0 to 6 years, then you now have an easy-to-do, affordable and yet valuable gift to give. And the best part is that you can spend time with your child and she will think that it is fun to do. The gift is to create a unique baby hand and footprint, or a child hand and footprint if your child isn't a baby. It is easy to do if you choose to buy a keepsake kit from a local store or on the internet. If you're going for the internet, then be aware that it takes time for the shop to ship the kit to you. Once you have the kit at home, you're ready to start making a baby handprint, a baby footprint, or maybe even both. Use your imagination and let your fantasy run wild. Use colors if you're the artistic type, or keep it in plain colors if you're the more conservative type. The great thing about a handprint or a footprint is that it will always be unique. No one can create a print that is exactly the same as your baby's hands and feet are very unique. Secondly, I'll bet that your parents or your mom and dad-in-law will be thrilled to get a little keepsake memory of their grandson or daughter. If this is the first time that you have ever done a handprint or a footprint, you might want to buy more than one kit. It isn't difficult to do, as most kits have an explanation inside, but if you do something wrong, you'll have to run to the store to get another kit or buy another one on the internet and wait for it to arrive. The worst part for me is waiting for something. A kit is just one way to do a handprint or a footprint, but there are other ways that are more creative, fun and unique. Actually, the kit solution is kind of the easy way out. If you feel that you could do more than just a kit print, then I invite you to visit site links, which I have in descriptions, many other options that are available to you. No matter what route you choose to go, I can assure you that the baby handprint or footprint will be a gift that the grandparents will want to hold on to for the years to come. I hope you liked the idea. Subscribe, press the bell icon and share on your Facebook and with your contact on WhatsApp. Peace and love.